Back out, folks. So, back out in the woods. Thanks for tuning in again. What have we got today? Well, it's Mexican tonight. So, got a couple of Mexican wraps with beef, marinated, some peppers, onions, usual story, and a nice kind of, I think it's a sweet and spicy kind of marinade. So, I'm going to get that cooked up in the stove I got tonight. I think I'll get the onetigris rubicoid, I think it's called. I'll stick the thing down below anyway. But it's Mexican tonight. Arriba, arriba! So, stay tuned. We'll get to the wee spot, get the stove set up, and we'll basically start cooking. A tasty snackaroonie. So, this is the spot. So we're just going to get set up. We'll get some to eat. Out in the woods. So, this is the onetigris stove. You'll have seen me using this before. But it really is. This stove's just so handy. I know I've got a few stoves now. I like to mix it up a wee bit. That's a good thing about having a wee selection of stoves. Because basically you can use a different one just about every time you come out. But I do like this one. It's nice and easy, just all slots together. I say that every time, don't I? And then I go to try and slot it together and I can't do it. But it's an absolute doddle. It was a doddle last time we did it. There we go. There's literally just there's a few wee bits to it. Right, 1, 2, 3, so I think you've seen me do this before, right? It's just the 3 sides. Stick the base in. Just slots into these wee holes. Then there's this section here. That's much the same, just slots into the slots. Right, just like that. Front section goes on. Got the slots down at the front. Getting that good at this. Right, once that's all together, and then it's just a case of these wee 2 bits at the top. Just basically slot them on. Oh, right, yeah. Right, that's us. Good to go. So that's the onetigris rubicoid, I think it's called. But that's a great wee stove. So I'm basically going to get that set up, get some wood into it, get it going. Let's get cooking. And just the usual, like I say, I chuck pine cones in it, bugs. Basically, anything that's going to burn gets chucked in. Right, that's us. So, got the wood in, got it lit. So let that burn down a wee bit, and then we'll start cooking. that looks as if it's good enough for me, so I'm going to stick the pan on. So I've got my old trusty, you know what it is, because I've got it with me every time just about, the Petromax SP32. Fantastic pan, really is. So I'm going to let the oil heat up. While the oil's heating up, what have I got? Right, so I've marinated this steak, kind of steak strips, kind of spicy, sweet and spicy Mexican kind of marinade. And then I've done much the same with the peppers, the onions, the garlic, the chilli, and basically just mixed that all in about. And I've let that kind of sit for a couple of hours. So that's the veg and the meat. Right, and then I've got 2 big wraps I'm going to stick the whole lot into. Might even chuck some cheese on the top of it and all. Yeah, why not? But that's us. Oil's heating up. I think it's good to go. Jack, fizzle time. So, we'll chuck the veg in first. Right, now I've got to find what I do with my, there we go. Something about that sizzling sound, isn't there? I reckon this is going to taste pretty good again. I've not Mexican in a wee while, so just thought for a wee change tonight we'll have some Mexican grub. Andere, arriba! So we'll let that cook down a wee bit first. Once that's cooked down, we'll stick that steak in. Cooking down nicely. Right, stuff it, we'll chuck the steak in and off. So, I'm going to let this cook off. Oh, Mexican wraps. Mexican wraps in the woods. Nothing beats it. That's cooking away. So I had a couple of folk commenting, oh, again, you cook better out in the middle of nowhere than my family does in the house. Well, it's got to be done, doesn't it? But you get a lot of folk asking, oh, burgers, sausages, does anybody get any ideas what else I can cook? Well, just tell them to go to my channel and you'll see you can cook anything. Anything you can cook in the house, you can cook outside. And tonight, like I say, it's Mexican night. Friday night's usually steak night. Although saying that, I had tuna steaks on Friday night there. So it was Saturday night was steak night. Whereas tonight, it's Mexican night. Mexican wraps. Tasty snackaroonie. So, who else has been out this weekend? Comment below. Was anybody else out camping at the weekend? Camping, cooking, whatever they were doing. I'll be back out again at the weekend, but it's during the week. So as ever, no wine tonight, it's a weeknight. Sun cold sober. But I'm looking forward to eating this, I really am. I'm quite sure you wish you were here. You just can't beat me now, but can you? Can't beat me out in the woods. So I don't know where I'll go this weekend. I reckon probably maybe a loch somewhere. Had a beach camp at the weekend, so that was quite good. Good for a wee change, because it's always kind of forest camping I'm doing. I'm in the forest now, but I do like a wee beach camp now and again, and that was quite nice. It kind of poured with rain most of the well, most of the afternoon we were there. Then it cleared up. So, if you've not seen the last video, go and check that out. Or was it the video before that? I can't remember now. But that was down the beach. Good sunset and that. Can't beat a good sunset either, can you? But tonight, just at the back, at the backwoods, cooking, as always. You know how I like my grub. So I'm going to get back over before I burn my, don't want to burn my steak strips to her. So let's get back over there and see how it's going on. Oh yeah, look at that. Flame grilled. It's sizzling away. Lovely there. Done it. You know it's going to taste fantastic. Right, I think that's good to go in the wraps. So let's get this served up. Let's get eating. Right, I think we're good to go. So, chuck some of that on first. Right, and we'll get some of the... Oh, that's looking good. That is looking good. Oh yeah. Looks good to me. So, Mexican wraps. Lovely. Nom nom nom. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks fantastic, doesn't it? Huh? Oh, almost forgot. Better put a bit of cheese in the top, huh? And I'll just stick a bit of homegrown lettuce on it and all. And a wee bit more cheese. Chuck on. So, good to go. Right, let's get stuck in. It's Mexican night. Oh, arriba, arriba. Andre, Andre. Fantastic. Immense. So Mexican night in the woods went well. Well, it certainly has. So I'm going to demolish the two of these, then I'll bring you back. Right, one down. Damn, that's spicy. So, need a wee drink there. Number 2. Right, let's try and get this. Not the easiest to eat these, but I'm sure I'll manage. Check that bad boy out. Right, that's dinner finished. So I'm going to have to think of something else to cook. So, what's below? With a few folk say a few different things, but get your comments down below. What do you think I should cook? I've got this bread oven, right, and I've still not used it. Right, it's a petromax bread pan, I think it's called, cast iron. I really need to. I might keep that for the next kind of big group meet. There's a big fire and that going. I might try and make some bread. Bread in the campfire. That'd be quite nice, wouldn't it? So that's on my list to do. But like I say, you can cook anything. Cook anything outside, can't you? I watched a video the other night. Somebody made a pizza oven. I've not done that yet. So that could be in the cards as well. I wouldn't mind doing that, making a pizza oven. Imagine that, a big juicy pizza out in the middle of nowhere. Well, that sounds good to me. So I might try that. But like I say, get your comments below. What do you think I should cook? Just name something, nothing too hard. Right, but maybe something that I've not cooked. I know I've cooked a lot of different things, but there's bound to be something that I can cook that I've not cooked. So, get your votes in. Anyway, that's enough for tonight. So I've had my Mexican wraps, and aye, they were good. But right now, that's me. I've eaten, got something to drink, so it's time to head up the road. So as always, hit the like button if you liked the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that wee bell for future notifications. And like we always say, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.